Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change body in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch Roblox on your device. Click Avatar to go to your character customization screen. Now click on Customize from the top of your screen. Tap on the head and body section. This is where you can change your head, torso, arms and legs. Select any body part that you want to change like face, torso or legs. You'll see the items you already own. Just tap on one to apply it to your avatar instantly. You can mix classic body parts with R6 or R15 avatars or even try out full bundles for a new look. Once you've made your changes, your avatar will save automatically. Just go back and hop into a game to see your new look. And that's how you can change body in Roblox.